home bargain sucking setup. £3 a stool, £8 a windbreaker.
Quite handy this wee fucker, eh?
£3 for the log. Perfect on this windy ass, rainy ass day doing the Carron again. Got a wee temu rod here.
Let me try it.
Actually quite smart. I was testing it out, it was only like £12 or something. Got a bit heavy line on it now, I've forgot my other line. But we've just I've stuck a hook on it there, cast it out and left it right, and we've snagged. Oh, yeah, we're free. 2 minutes. It needs more weight, you'll not get much of a cast on it, eh? But
I'll walk it. Just remind me again. Finger,
just,
bail,
right.
flick. Is that right?
Yep.
And,
Testing out the old temu waterproofs and all. They alright, they shoe covers, aye?
working nice.
Seem to be working so far. I think they were only about £3. I tallied up for 2023, I think December or something, 23 till now I've spent £840 on temu. And I've used some of it. Some of it's broke, some of it's been shite, some of it I've still to use. Aye, see that rod, it seems alright, but we just need the right line, eh? Aye, you want more weight. The right line with the right size spinner or whatever on it would be better, like, but it seems delicate as anything, eh, the wee reel. Water level's up a wee bit too, eh? Again, since yesterday. I'm just gonna I'm gonna try a spinner, I think. There was a wee riser there, did you see that? What? Leakage? Oh, you better get out, Jock, before that seeps through, mate. Mate, you better back it up before it seeps all through. Leakage at the zips, how long have they lasted? 10 minutes, if that. I think it'd be alright just for kicking about like dirty areas or in the rain, eh? I don't think they're actually for being submerged, if I'm honest. I don't think so, no. I think they're just like shoe covers, Ken, to stop your shoes getting dirty or wet for the rain and stuff. Aye, it needs lighter line. And a wee bit of a heavier spinner or something on the end of it. A wee lure maybe. Bring it back here and we'll fucking rig it up. Are you going for it again? A wee bit better.
Because he's kind of stopped.
Aye. That's what she said. Is this wee log still going or what? Smoke signals. I could maybe actually get a worm on it and just fire it out, eh? And leave it on the bottom. Disappointed with that log.
I sure am, but that shouldn't be happening.
I need to put one of these squiggly worms on this, bro. Poor worms, man. Poor wormy worm. Ah, mate, I've just ripped him in half. He's bleeding everywhere. They wriggle off like fuck, eh?
I didn't like putting them on.
Okay, I nearly do that to be fair, but it means catching a brownie for dinner. Yeah, I suppose it's all a sacrifice. Leave the wee wormlet there. Oh, bird's nest. No, the bird's nest. Leave it here. This camera might be wobbling about a bit. I've put on like a neck strap, a necklace. You know the best. Another temu test.
You put a wormy worm on it.
Put a worm on it and just put it out. Just keep your eye on it in case it something pulls it in, man. Even a wee trout would probably take that rod in a second, eh? That cloud is coming in. Set my rod up and get a spinner on, eh? Is the worm still on? Oof, there's some smoke comes off that wee log. Loaded with the fire lighters, man. I'm gonna do that little box again. So bad for misplacing stuff. Size 12. Tying it together. Get that far out as you can. That's a bit better, like. Just sit with that. You know what, I'd be reeling that in, mind. Hating I do that, my sight's terrible, man.
Oh, the fish!
No chance.
Look, guy!
You lose it? How big?
Oh no!
What, do you feel a tug or what?
No, no,
Is it taking the worm?
no, I think it's another one on it. Look!
Is it taking half it?
No, how big was it when you put it on?
It was like an inch.
A wee bit bigger than that?
Can't actually see for here. Aye, a wee bit maybe, aye. Get my wee bag on, it's got scissors attached. Right, what am I putting on this? Hopefully not a snag, eh? What am I wanting? This is a bit big. I like the wee minnow, eh? And we were getting bites up the viaduct on the minnow. I think I'll try the minnow out first. Ah, come on. Still got the swivel on it, I should have just used that. What a fud I am. Right. Oh man, come on. Look at these. Oh, I caught something. Look at that weed. Oh, wee tug there. Unless I'm scraping a ledge. Felt like a tug though. That a rise there, do you see that? To your right. There. Right in the middle?
Yeah.
Aye. Put your worm out there somewhere. Is there still enough worm? I think there's one worm left. I think so, mate. You need to check that. Fucking That's a no. Mate, we need to get that. We need to get that axe out so these wee, what are they called? Ferns or whatever. Tangling rods. It's grew so much. Everything's grew so fast with that hot weather and all that rain and hot weather again, eh? Fuck the hell. All that area. See what I mean? You see what I mean? Mate, if you've not got a worm on, it's pointless.
Bring that in.
Jeez. Oh.
I don't want to break your new rod.
Alright, mate, it should be alright. Temu special, 12 quid. Bulletproof.
I think you should change it anyway. Needs a lure.
Needs a lure, eh? Put a spinner on the end of it. There's another rise. Did you see that? Right in the middle, man. I'm telling you, they're here, like. Go into that bag, in the shoulder bag thing. There's a wee, the camel one. Aye, aye. Let me try that viaduct again as well soon. So that was a good run he got that we lost yesterday. Just try to find the wee pools, eh? That Ernie's pool up at the viaducts, that's where we lost that one yesterday. It was a wee bit reedy, I think. I'm pulling a wee bit. Oh, that was a wee tug. What's that? I've got a fucking pebble! What the fuck?
Pebble.
Look, mate!
How's that?
Go and take that off if you can. What's it went into? Is it what is it, a stone? Is it magnetic?
There's a stone, but there's something on the stone. And it's went into that.
Is it magnetic, no? I thought that was trippy. I need that leader. I've not got any leaders. I've ordered some, but I don't know if this is needing a leader or no. I'm not very knowledgeable in the river fishing. I'm just learning. Me. I mean, I ken the fly fishing is probably a lot better, but I'll get into that another day. Oh, see, that felt like a wee tug there, but I don't know if it was a tug or if it's like
Ken, I felt like it didn't
hitting a ledge
jump in
again.
the water or
Aye.
I thought I had one of these. But the rod was gone.
And they're definitely here, and they're definitely taking this minnow. No regular, obviously, but they're going for it when you're getting it past them. Is that any better on the with the spinner? What you put on?
Yellow feathery.
Oh, what's it casting like? Is it enough weight? Is it too light? A wee bit too light still though. Try the spinner though, mate. It might get that extra bit of weight. Something like 10 gram maybe or less. Much less actually. 3-4 gram. Oh, I think there's another. Oh my god, look what I've done. Talking shite, mate, and I've fucking wrapped it round that branch. I'll try the old hockey flick manoeuvre.
See what I mean? Watch the rod.
Yes. What, getting wee bends, but it's because it's ultra light. That'll bend when you're hitting pebbles and everything. Okay, what I mean? This one does it too. But this isn't obviously as light as that. Come on. I mean, you can't say it's too hot today because the temperatures fell majorly. Fair enough, the water is up, but oh man, I think I'm just fishing the wrong bit, but I don't know what to gear up. I'm about 4 or 5 days strong down here now. Look, there's our eyes. See, my line maybe spooking them, eh? I'm going to check the log. Will we get that sausage on, mate? Look what's happened to the log, Mark. It's flipped upside down. Aye, upside down. Oh, did you tip it upside down?
Aye.
Right, I'm going to quit the video here. 25 minutes that's been on. I'll maybe just upload this raw 25-minute footage. See if it's worth a watch. Speak to you soon, guys.